I have an idea. Hey guys and girls, welcome back to my Chanel, and today we're gonna be using this palette here. Okay, I know that this is a fall palette and it's definitely in the middle of March, but I don't care. I'm a fall girl, so I'm gonna use it. Boom. Okay, so my idea is I want to start like an episode or something like that. I don't know, but something to where I'm just gonna do YouTube videos on MUAs, their tutorials, whatever. I'm gonna follow their tutorials. And please don't mind my hair. I'm gonna throw my wig on when I'm done. Okay, this is who I'm using. Her name is Brandy Nitty. I guess that's her name. I don't know, but this is who I'm using because I thought that this was like a really cute look. How she had like the orange, pinks, and greens and stuff like that. So I'm using this. Okay, let me get out whatever I need first. Don't mind the bed. It's a lot going on. Y'all know with that coronavirus and stuff like that. I'm in college and apparently either the semester is going to be canceled or we're going to be moving to online classes, which sucks. I really don't want to take online classes. Like, it's a reason why I didn't sign up for it. I would rather them just cancel the semester, to be honest. It's only 2 months left. Might as well. I mean, I have all A's and a B, honey. I am perfectly fine with that. It's so crazy how people are like losing their minds over this stuff. Like, people are starting to do things that they should have been doing. Like, come on, washing your hands. Be for real. Y'all know that you need to wash your hands when you use the bathroom and stuff like that. Yeah, I know you're not supposed to touch your face. Like, y'all been doing this stuff. Like, whenever viruses come out, people really show how disgusting they are. And it's crazy. And don't get me wrong, I really give people a pass on touching their face because we all know how hard it is to keep your fingers out your face. The moment you say, okay, I'm not going to touch my face, is the moment where everything starts itching. It is what it is. Like, I give folks a pass on that because I know it's hard. But come on, washing your hands, carrying around some hand sanitizer. Okay, I am going to start with the Plouise Base 2 on my eyelids because, you know, I'm going to need these colors to be bright and vibrant. Okay, now this is what I mean by I am nowhere near a makeup artist, honey. I don't even know what brush I'm supposed to use to apply this. Like, do I use this brush? Do I use that one? Like, do I? No. I don't know. Do I like? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what brush I use to apply this. I guess it doesn't matter. Does it matter, guys? I don't know. I guess it doesn't matter. We're just gonna use whatever. Okay, I heard that this stuff, I heard a little goes a long way, so. Oh, am I supposed to shake this up? Oh my goodness. It's so watery. Ew. Okay, I guess I was supposed to shake it up. I don't know. It came out like a bunch of water or something. Like, can y'all see it? I don't think I can see it. I don't know. But this side, it can't. Yeah, you see it, like all that. Like, y'all see that? I don't know. I don't think that was supposed to look like that. But hey, whatever. Okay, a little definitely goes a long way. I should probably do my eyebrows first, huh? Probably. I be forgetting to do my eyebrows because, honey, like I said, I am no makeup artist, so it takes me a minute to do some eyebrows, and sometimes I just be wanting to be like, forget eyebrows, but you can't forget your eyebrows. You can't. Not when you have thin eyebrows like me. Nah, can't do that. Brows. Now, as I told y'all in my first video, my brows are distant cousins, and we're gonna leave it at that, okay? Next, play.
I could make this tutorial for you guys. I have had every single Morphe 35O palette that has come out. It's just been my thing. My most viewed video actually is the Morphe 35O palette like tutorial.
Talking a little too much.
So I had to do an ode to that, and I had to, you know, buy this one, have it overnight.
Okay, so what it looks like is she's starting with Consume right here. So that's what we're gonna start with, because we're following her. Okay. So next she uses Red Alert right here.
Angled, so I can kind of put the shadow right where I want it to go. So I'm just gonna press it right.
Okay,
in
so
this
she's
outer
pressing
corner.
it
It's
in.
a neon electric shade in the palette, and it's also a neon electric shade on my eye.
Okay,
I'm
Morphe.
just gonna take this and buff this.
I see you.
In my inner corner.
I see you, Morphe.
I'm gonna
Okay.
take this a little bit.
And then she goes back into that orange right there. Oh, I thought this was the wrong brush. I was gonna say, whoa, wrong brush. How am I doing so far? Probably wouldn't even know. Okay, so the next color that she's taking is, oh goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. Warning label. Yeah, that. She's taking that. And she's using a smaller E Sigma, whatever brush that she said. I don't really have names of brushes and stuff. I just use them because, I mean, I use BH Cosmetics. It's just a set of brushes that I have. I don't know.
Product to be egg.
Girl, I don't have a little small blending brush, honey. I don't. I just have brushes. I don't have a little small blending brush. I don't know what to tell you, sweet cakes. I don't. Okay, next she is using Hypnotic right here, and once again she's using a small tapered brush that I don't have. I guess I could use this one. Oh. Okay, now the part that I have been dreading. She's about to cut the crease, y'all. I can't cut no damn crease. Y'all, I suck at cutting creases, honey. I do. How did I do? I don't think I did too bad. Not too shabby. Okay, y'all. I think we did a great freaking job. Oh! Like, of course it's not the best, but I think I did pretty good. Okay. Got something in my eye. Okay. So, next, she takes, I need to clean my brushes, oh my goodness. Anywho, next she takes some powder and she presses it in to set that crease, honey. Be having to do that.
After we're done cutting both of our creases, we are going to move on to the lid shade. Here's where the fun color comes in. I'm going to be using the green shades of the palette. I really have been dying to use these ever since I saw it. These two shades right here. I am first going to take the matte green.
Where did my palette go?
Pigment. I did swatch this one.
Okay, so that green shade she was talking about, she's gonna be using both of these, but she uses the matte first. Okay, and then she uses this same brush that she applied the matte green with. And she applies that green up there, that shimmer green, whatever. So we're gonna spray this with some matte finish. NYX matte finish. Yeah, baby. Drugstore. You already know it. Okay, that's all she did for the eyes minus the lashes. So now we are about to move into the face. All this doing fallout. Goodness, man. Lord. A lot of fallout. Oh gosh, that's a lot of fallout. So, y'all scared of the Rona? Y'all seen this what the black folks been calling it, the Rona? I don't know. I mean, it's definitely a cause for concern, but I don't know. I guess I just feel like this isn't the first sickness or whatever that's going around that has killed or could possibly kill thousands, maybe millions of people. It's not the first, and it probably won't be the last. I mean, just do what you gotta do and be safe. Oh, honey. This makeup stuff, y'all. I love makeup, but it's like the process is just for the birds. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. If you like this video, make sure you like and hit that subscribe button. hit that notification bell right next to it so you're notified each time I post, and comment below what else you would like to see. Bye bye. But hold on though. Get into it. Get into it.